I am going to show you all the stuff I got today. I got a ton of stuff. So, I got Family Guy Uno. I really enjoy that movie. Some Angry Birds stuff right here. Angry Birds game. That's how you do it. That's basically how it sets up. Oop. I'll be opening them today too. So, Silly Beans. Gumo racers. There. More Gumo. A little knitting thing I like to knit, so I got a little. I enjoy making hats. I'm not very good at bags because I never did one, but I got a little pet shop here. It's a special edition swan that comes with this. Then I got this. It's a mailbox set, and also to see my kitty cat. Little henna thing. Then I got a Webkins. There. This is my third Webkins. I have Angry Birds and other Angry Bird things. So it makes noise. I found some bean bags, but oh, I also got this. A hula hoop. Just take it apart, but I don't know if I showed you this, but it's a Family Guy. Collect all three, yeah. I only got one. I got Peanut, Elephant. Take them apart, put them back together. Same with the Gumo. Got a hamster, a giraffe, and a penguin. And I got an LPSO pet. And, yeah, so I might not be opening them today, but the next video I can do. Well, I'll just show you like when I set them all up or something. So, bye.